participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or his representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Discontinued during this emergency. This is WEPN. This station will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions for the New York City area. If you are not in New York City area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station in your local area. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WEPN. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the President, the United Nations, the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and the National Weather Service. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. Unfortunately, our world is coming to a horrific end. At 12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, it is reported that a clock in New York City, known as the Doomsday Clock, struck 12 o'clock. This would mean the world would end. At the same time, the hurricane recording speeds of 100 miles per hour in the Atlantic. Then, a superstorm that can form 10-mile-wide tornadoes formed in the Midwest. There have been reports of massive fires, larger than Australia and Asia. There have also been reports of every major volcano, including Krakatoa and Yellowstone erupting, and blizzards of mass extent, producing such clouds of dust and heat degrees Fahrenheit heat waves. There have also been reports of many magnitude 1.5 earthquakes in Alaska, Chile, China, Japan, Indonesia. Meanwhile, massive dust storms, larger than Mongolia, have formed in the Middle East. Sadly, humanity cannot survive this. There is no reason to stay calm, panic. If you want all laws have been abolished in the United States, gather with loved ones such as family and friends and raise for an inevitable end. We will conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with one final playing of the U.S. national anthem. Goodbye forever.
Bulls consider subscribing, but only if you like this type of content.